Hello, lovely family and friends. A warm welcome back to my channel, and it is always a pleasure to have you here. Okay, I'm so delighted to bring you this recipe today, but I hope you are all doing well by God's grace. Okay, I hope you are all doing well. Yeah, so today I'm going to share with you my Millet Banku recipe. Okay, so this is ever so delicious, ever so soft, ever so nutritious, with your no oil okra soup, very healthy okra soup. You feel say like you're going to live for another 100 years after eating this food, because it's so healthy and so delicious. Okay, so join me and I'll show you how I make my recipe. Okay, Millet Banku recipe, that is. So for Millet Banku, you need millet dough, okay? And I have some here, about 2.5 cups of millet dough, and I also have 1.25 cups of cassava dough, okay? Cassava dough is optional, but I want my banku to be dry, okay? So yes, I've added some water and dissolving it until it's nice and smooth consistency, and then we'll set it on fire. Okay, it's just the same way that you make your banku. It's no special way, yeah. Okay, so yeah, we set that on fire. So I'm adding my salt to taste, and please, a word of caution here is millet doesn't take a lot of salt, so make sure that you take it easy on the salt when you making millet banku. You can actually omit salt totally, because when we eat we make the millet recipes like awasa cocoa and fula, we don't add salt and it tastes amazing. So you can omit salt totally. Okay, so here is just we just driving it, pressing the dough against the saucepan, pressing and make you crashing every lump. And millet is very forgiving. It doesn't make a lot of lumps. It is just very gentle, so making millet banku is ever so easy, I tell you. So what we're doing, all we need is for the cassava dough to cook, because millet, we know we can actually even eat it raw, yeah, because most of our recipes we hardly cook them. Yes, so yeah, it's just for the cassava dough to cook. So at this point, I know that the millet is cooked, just wanting the cassava dough to be well cooked before we serve it. It's very simple, like it doesn't take long. Well, if you're making a small quantity like I am making right now, yeah, it's ever so easy. And as I said, it's ever so delicious, and it is very healthy, nutritious. Okay, so yeah, well, I've added cassava. If you want, you can omit the cassava to make it super, nutritious. So yeah, as I can see that my banku is ready. So yeah, I'm scooping it into my bowl, ready to be consumed. Yeah, you can also wrap it in a plastic bag, like a freezer bag, and then yeah, it will stay warm and soft for a very long time, and you can store it in your fridge for as long as you wish, really. But banku dear. Oh yeah, I said 2 days, 3 days. In my house, it doesn't take long, so I can't tell you how long you can store that for, because I haven't tried. Me 2 days max, no be a day away. It is gone. So that's how banku looks nice, and yeah, very delicious. So as I showed you earlier, I enjoyed this with, see how soft it is. Very soft. And so good, right? All that it has to do is to let it drop on your tongue, and then you move your tongue just a little bit with your slimy oilless okra soup, and now slide it straight through the throat into the esophagus. Samira Pekasa. Subscribe everyone, do catch him some Pekasa. Now me catch him say, now winning Kasa dear. I love it. So yeah. So that is it. Thank you for joining me, and please be sure to subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. If you didn't enjoy it, trust me, there are other videos that you really enjoy. So go there and check it out, and I will see you in the next one. So bye.